जावड़ेकर जी ने बताया और मैं भी ये कहता हूं, भारत के पास क्या नहीं है। ग्रेट हिमालय, huge seashore, coastal line, more than 16,000 of kilometers, pilgrimage cities like Varanasi, Haridwar, great monuments like Taj Mahal to attract the world tourist, and many things. But still, our country is not able to attract the tourist which small countries like Singapore and Dubai are able to attract more. Why? There is some lacuna. We all need to come together and think it over. So far, tourism sector used to be considered as a neglected center in the earlier priorities of the government. I don't want to criticize any government. We are here to focus on our welfare and progress of our industry. We need to come together. MSME sector status has been given to hotel industry, but the benefits are deprived of, which usually MSME sector manufacturing industry get. Those benefits are not availed by the hotel industry MSME sector. Similarly, infrastructure has been granted after vigorous efforts and presentation with the earlier government. But the parameters are kept so high, unrealistic to achieve. Likewise, the progress of this industry we could not achieve. I believe we have tremendous potential. How India is able to make its own mark in world in IT sector. Similarly, tourism sector can also leave the mark, provided we have synchronized long-term systematic approach and policy. We need simplification of the policies, single window license clearances, lower cost of funds, long-term monitoring period, long-term payback period. Fortunately, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, he declared he intends to take this tourism sector to an extent where 33% of the GDP growth derives from the tourism sector, 33% from the agriculture sector, and 33% from the industrial sector. He has a positive attitude for the industry. He has also positive listening attitude and approach and understand the problems. We had many occasions, discussions, how to take this industry up. And he also emphasized that tourism sector, 1 rupee invested, can increase the 12 times more employment than the other industries. So why not to develop? He, in his words, if I say put forward, इस इंडस्ट्री में पैसा लगाया है तो रिक्शा वाला भी कमाता है, चाय वाला भी कमाता है, इलिटरेट आदमी भी कमाता है और लिटरेट भी कमाता है। गांव का छोटा से छोटा आदमी तक हम पहुंच सकते हैं। तो टूरिज्म सेक्टर को डेवलप करना ही है। He wants to develop the sector circuits in tourism sector in India. There are many more things he wants to achieve. I wish whatever discussion and deliberation we make here in these 2 days, which will churn out, will make the concise note, will put forward with the government, with the appropriate authority, and I'm sure Narendra Bhai Modi will definitely take it seriously. However, they are in honeymoon period, not yet 100 days are over, but still they have worked on it. Like they have approved the fundamentals for real estate investment trust. Broadline has been announced. Similarly, visa on arrival on certain airports has been already declared. That will increase manifold our tourism sector. what status of our industry at present we are going through, we all know. So that will also shine out and we'll do it necessary. I thank you very much for giving me some time to represent the government thought, my thought, and we will jointly put forward our efforts and work in the direction of single window clearances, simplification of licenses, and many more other things which I mentioned. Thank you very much.